welcome back to my 7th grade advanced class. Let's go ahead and knock these out. I got number 6. It says the scatter plot shows the average height of children ages 2 through 12 in a certain country. All right. Which line is the best model of the data? All right. So average height in X countries. We've got the average height in this country, the average height in this country, and we have one here. So they're saying, which line is the best model of the data? All right. This one says the red line. And remember, we're trying to follow the data here, these dots, okay? This one shows that it's going through it, but there's a lot of dots over here, 1, 2, 3, right? And only one above this line. So that's not the one in the middle, right? This one coming here, this purple one, it goes through it, but it goes through it the wrong way. Let's face it, as people get older, they do not get shorter, all right? If I use this blue one here, I see that it goes through 2 of these, but there's 2 of them here, and 2 of them here, and it really doesn't represent the data that's up here or down here. Only through line M do I see it going through the middle of all of them. So I would say has to be M. So it says which line is the best model? I would go with M. Okay. Number 7 is yours. Number 8 is mine. Determine whether the scatter plot of the data for the following situation would have a positive or negative linear association. All right. Time working and amount of money earned. All right. So if we had, let's see. It says time working. So we know down here, we'll probably be getting paid per hour. Amount of money earned, so this would be money, right? Now it says determine whether the scatter plot of the data for the following situation would have a positive or negative. Let's face it, the longer we work, right, the more money we expect to make. So this is definitely going to give me a positive, right, a positive linear association. All right. Let's go ahead and go to number 10 now. Describe the relationship between the data and the scatter plot. If I was going to describe this, I would say that this is not a line, it's non-linear, but there is an association, isn't there? It's curving all on this arc here. So I would say it's a non-linear, okay, association. I could even say it's a positive non-linear association if I wanted to. Let's see, non-linear association. And like I said, I could say that it's going in a positive way, but really the book just wants you to put non-linear. So we're just going to say a non-linear association, okay? There is an association, but it does not make a line. And yeah, I would just say non-linear. Next, we're going to number 11 is yours, 12 will be mine. A sociologist is studying how sleep affects the amount of money a person spends. Scatter plot shows the result of a study. What type of association does it show between the amount of sleep and money spent? Well, see, as you sleep more, right, it looks like you spend more money. Let's see, when I get less sleep, I'm not spending nothing, right? And then as hour by hour goes by, it seems and spending more money, right? So if we're going to write this, I would say it's a non-linear association. Okay? Uh, and the reason I say this is what type of association. It's not saying how my x is related to my y. So if that's the case, I'm simply going to say it doesn't make a line, does it? Right? It's kind of a curve there. So nonlinear. That's all of mine. I don't think it's going to take you long at all to finish this homework. So I'll see you guys in class and have a great night.